This integration, we have to find the integration of cos 2x minus of cos 2 alpha upon cos x minus cos alpha. So cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus of 1, and cos of 2 alpha can be written as 2 cos square alpha minus of 1. So everything will turns out to be 2 cos square x minus of 1 minus of 2 cos square alpha plus of 1, and here you will write cos x minus of cos of alpha. 1 and 1 will get cancelled. If you will take 2 common, everything will turns out to be cos x minus of cos of alpha into cos x plus cos of alpha, and here you will write cos x minus of cos of alpha. Cos x minus cos of alpha, cos x minus cos of alpha will get cancelled. So you will write the value as integration of cos of x plus integration of cos of alpha dx. Since cos of alpha is a constant, so we will take it outside, and the integration of cos x will be written as sine of x. So you will write 2 times of sine of x plus cos of alpha into x. So you will write x cos of alpha plus of c. So this is the answer that you will get.